Alright, what is going on? This video is definitely brought to you by Jawa. How do you say this?
Jawa.
Not Jowa? Oh my god, only 2 people have dropped a high score over here. What is going on? I'm definitely getting on the board here. Potentially number 1. If I can beat their laps. What? Here we go. So beach buggy. This is what? Bowie Supercharger location. A few times I've been here. Oh snap. I wish I had some sound right now. I'm not sure what happened to the sound. Yeah, not sure. And I don't like talking and playing. Oh my gosh, this is intense. I used that teleportation thing way too early. Does this remind you of Mario Kart?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely.
Oh, I love these controllers, man. I'm so upset I left the second one in the other Tesla. Because, well, you know, we could still play 2 players. I just don't know if we could do 2 players with this, like, leaderboard thing that they did. Oh my god. Oh, what? This is so cool. Oh my god. This is so cool. So yeah, if you go around the DMV area, really looking forward to dropping my name on most of these supercharger locations. But I made it on Tyson's. I made it on Beltsville. And hopefully I can make it here on Bowie now too. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I was doing pretty well. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they just hooked me. They keep hooking me up with that teleportation thing. Oh no, I just fell out of bounds. Dang. I don't even think I'm gonna make it now. Oh, so close. I already passed the 2-minute mark. Dang. I think you could do better. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Number 2. I made number 2.
Nice.
At the Bowie Supercharger location. Shout out to Jawa. Make sure you grab one of these controllers. I'm going to put it in the link in the description. Alright, that's pretty cool. I think I got to take a picture of that one. That's pretty cool. I made it. I'm going to send that one to my mom. That's pretty cool, right? Bowie, Maryland. Alright, so thanks again for watching this too. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Do you want to play? You know what? We might keep that video running actually.
Wait, where's the button to move again?
Yeah, so it's the trigger to go, and then it's like when you get stuff, it's these.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Yeah, definitely beat me real quick, please. I know you can. Leaderboard, let's go. Continue. I'm gonna who do you want to be? You want to be her? Alright, cool. I wish we had volume right now. I'm sorry we don't. But yeah, it's okay. You know, just have fun. It's not about winning.
Oh,
Hey, you're doing really good.
No, I wish I.
Oh my god, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Wow, there's a ton of Teslas pulling up here now. I think I'm, probably pretty good on the charge too once we're done here. But, yeah. Woo, that looks fun. Woo, that looks even more fun. Alright, this game is so cool that they added this. I still can't believe that they added this. And it's so cool that you can get your name up there, like, on the...
I probably won't, but...
No, you're good. Use the stuff. Press the A, the B, and the
I don't
Y.
think I got anything
You
yet.
have 3 things over here, look.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You're doing really well. Nice. Dude, press the A, just hit all those buttons. Just try them all, yeah, these ones there.
Okay.
There you go. It'll only help you. Tips and tricks to win at Beach Buggy. Make sure you subscribe for more tips and tricks to win at Beach Buggy. Use the bull, the Matterhorn. I don't know, press like A or something. There you go. Woo. Nice, now press B, press B. Ooh, alright, way to go.
Ooh, okay.
Alright, nice job. 224. Oh no. I think I already beat you. I wasn't about winning though. It's okay. Next time, alright? We'll let you get onto the supercharger.
I think this is the second time I've ever used this.
Or you know what? You can always do it in your Tesla. Talking to the viewers of this video, of course. Alright, here we go. And good job. Way to go. High five.
Yeah, I didn't make it on here.
That's
right?
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it doesn't let you redo it twice. It just gives you your high score, which is pretty awesome. All right, there's people waiting for the superchargers now, and I feel bad. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more. I am just gonna go get out of here real quick. Let's see, we're at 57%, which is very solid. Remember I said if I can get to 60, that'd be cool. And then let's see how much it cost us. So it looks like 10 bucks. All right, let's get out of here. That's actually one of the more expensive ones. I'm usually out of here by like 8, 7. All right, and then just to top it off, let's see if we can test out the FSD stuff over here. I don't know if it's gonna work. We're just gonna test it out, and it does.
Watch out.
What? I'm not sure what it's gonna do here. Let's see. Interesting set of events going through the... Alright, so yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This was a super fun one to shoot. Video games, self-driving, supercharging, all in one. And yeah, we have got to get on our way now. So what did you think about the game?
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah,
I passed the time.
What do you think about this update? The way that it's been driving lately?
Yeah, so far so good, right?
Have you seen a little bit of an improvement from the 12.36? I don't know if you remember, I was on it for like the last 6 months. And
yeah.
This is a pretty big update, I think so. This is like prior to their robo-taxi, you know? So yeah, make sure, you know, you're notified about 1010 coming up, and then the light show in Maryland. Shout out to Tesla Maryland. And make sure, you know, you show up if you guys live in Maryland. Looking forward to it. All right, thanks again for watching. Have a great day.